specifically integration. The concept of life skills was okay, but how to integrate it in the learning material, in the form of activities, in the form of tasks, in the form of examination. How shall we evaluate this, acquisition of the skills? And that was really a big challenge for us, and we accepted, rather I accepted it. And that is why I was fortunate enough that I didn't miss even a single meeting. Now, since the material will be learner focused, the quality of learning will definitely improve, because the material will address their problems, happy or unhappy, their achievements, their failures, how to cope with the life, how to maintain healthy relations with their friends, with their parents, and definitely they will be given a training kind of thing.
If I were to talk about the subsection of this adult skills education program, this whole program is learner centric. So this is very important when we are writing any material, especially in the case of English, or if we are writing any question, we are framing any question, I would say. So this whole approach was very good. This is the first time this whole integrated subject is laid for the learners, and I think they need to be trained, and they need to be, there should be some classes should be given to them by the tutors that orient them about life skills.
Things were made very clear, and we were enthusiastic, we were well motivated, and we put our whole of the energy and knowledge to write books in such a way, to write lessons in such a way that this should be useful for the students, and it should be from the real life experiences of the students. So now these lessons are not from above, not from someone else, but they are the real experiences of the students, and through those experiences learning has been caused. And now real life experiences, the students which we get through these lessons and the experiences which they get from their own life, they can use it for their betterment, for their welfare, and to get more knowledge, more learning.
हमारा छोटा सा काम, हमने अभी 8,600 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर जमीन पर 10,000 से ज्यादा ताल पाल झाल बनाई है। यदि हमने पानी के साथ प्यार करना शुरू किया तो इस देश का कोई कोना ऐसा नहीं है जो बेपानी रहेगा। ना फिर बाढ़ में कोई डूबेगा और ना कोई सुखाड़ में प्यासा मरेगा। इस देश को बाढ़ और सुखाड़ मुक्त करना है तो बादल से निकली हर बूंद को पकड़ के धरती के पेट में रखना है।
So what have you learned from the story?
Water is precious and should be saved.
Yes, we can collect rainwater and store it.
Yes, that is a very good problem-solving area. But what have you learned from Rajendra's story?
I think he did a very good job.
He communicated well with the villagers.
Yes.
He empathized with the villagers and enabled them to think it through and help them find the solution locally.
And they together solved the problem.
Yes, you all just mentioned so many life skills. Rajendra thought critically, empathized with the villagers, got them together, helped them solve their problems. And of course, he went through a lot of stress while doing so. After all, it was not an easy job to do. So what is this methodology that we used?
We learned about Rajendra's actions from this story.
Exactly. We call this methodology case study. We studied Rajendra's case.
My concern was that are we going to dissect the whole life skills from the curriculum, and are we going to talk about the life skills in isolation? But I am really happy that throughout the process we have maintained this concern, and we worked in a way where we have always talked about the life skill in terms of the context and the curriculum and the subjects.
It really has been an incredible journey. I have learned such a lot, and I have honed my own life skills as we walked along the journey with so many others. We've learned from each other, and the best part is that focus was on the open learners all the time. Therefore, we had to all the time, the lesson writers had to put themselves in the garb of the learners and think of how they would be able to imbibe what we want them to imbibe. And of course, it was more than just the knowledge of the content. It was more on how they can be better human beings, better citizens of tomorrow, and also enjoy learning what they are learning. Because many of them really have joined this course under very trying circumstances. So it was one of our tasks to, make their learning enjoyable. To come to NIOS, I feel that there are really two aspects which are not divorced from each other, but which are complementary to each other. One is the book, which you all call the open school and the open learning. Those who are engaged with open learning call it the teacher in print. Therefore, the lessons that are written here are very different from the lessons that are written in a classical textbook.
Most of our learnings are activity based, hands-on, discussion, study, field visit. So I think on the whole, it was really a very enriching experience, and I hope the learners get benefited out of it.
If life skills are properly implemented, then the whole nation picture will be better.
That is when you were all riding on the bus, and that is when you all, or some of you, fell. Now let me tell you, once the bus stops, then there is an unbalanced force which comes about, and you have not changed your inertia, so you tend to move forward. And then, keep it here, thank you. And then, whether you're sitting or whether you're standing, there has to be some friction which has to stop you. That is the only thing which will stop you, friction. So now when we fall, we will know why we're falling. Correct.
If I have to, define the life skills, I would define it as the colorful feathers which we are providing to our children so that they could move ahead. And this is really the beginning, and there is a long way ahead. And people are really doing good work, and hope we will get the results in the coming future very soon.
Equally important was that ownership was built within NIOS. And we also needed to develop a critical mass of people who would take the process further on their own steam. We had a number of capacity building initiatives for all the stakeholders, and we also put in a mentorship program for them.
In science and technology, we have introduced many interesting type of questions like puzzles, think and do, activities. These activities are daily life based.
By end 2012, we were able to finalize the life skills enriched materials at secondary level, have them printed, and they were made available to the learners of 2012-13 batch.
The chemistry or the science part cannot be teaching just without in isolation. It should be some link with the daily life. How it is acid base, or you can say metal non-metal chapters, they are related with the everyday observations, you can say. And in this way we develop the material, which is very interesting.
So who wants to first stain the tea on the fabric? Radhika? Watch carefully. I'm sure we've done this many times, haven't we? So to remove this, we are going to pour hot boiling water on the fabric. Come, you guys want to come and watch? Now if the fabric is colored, you would want to soak it in warm water and borax first. Radhika, why don't you pick it up and just scrub it slightly, gently, and you'll see the stain completely coming out.
I think Life Skill program, which has started by NIOS in collaboration with UNFPA, will definitely change the education system of our country, and definitely it will give the right direction to our learners for their bright future.
We now hope sincerely that life skills and adolescent concerns are firmly anchored within NIOS.
The National Institute of Open Schooling, popularly known as NIOS, reaches to the million of children, those who are out of school children, and facilitates them to complete their education cycle. And our endeavor related to life skill program, which we have integrated with the children, those who are in the secondary level, particularly in 5 subjects which had highest enrollment, and those 5 subjects we had taken deliberately so that we reach to the more number of children. I must thank UNFPA for providing all kinds of support, and we must see that in the future that how these things could be more integrated in other subject areas, particularly at the secondary and senior secondary level.
Journey, I would say, has been quite long in terms of engaging the system in this revision process. We also did not think that this would be such a long journey, but eventually the journey has been most beneficial and positive experience for both of us. The NIOS learners go to the contact classes which are held by the formal schooling system. So the teachers who teach them at these contact classes are teachers who are normal part of the normal education system. So if they are going to be exposed to this video format, then this video is also going to help them to improve on their teaching methodologies in the normal schools where they are teaching. So this is going to have a additional positive spin-off that we expect, that the teaching in the normal schools would also be focused in life skills and the participatory methods that have been part of this exercise.
I think this film will benefit the tutors and the learners of NIOS, and it will lead to enhancement of the quality of learning for NIOS learners. In fact, it will go even ahead, and even the teachers of the regular schools can take advantage of this film, because many of the techniques that are being used in this film are used in the formal system also. So not only the NIOS tutors and learners will benefit, but also the regular school teachers will benefit from it. And that is why this film is a very good initiative of the Adolescent Education Program and the UNFPA.
2 words. 2 words. First word. First word. Half. Drink and drive. Cheese. Cow. Card. Window. TV. Butter. Cat. Dog. Big. I know this. Carboxylic acid.
Yes. That is the answer. All right. So now, carboxylic acid is the answer, but that is not the real question. The real question is carboxylic acid with one single carbon atom.
Formic acid.
Absolutely right. Yes, formic acid is the answer.
UNFPA, the United Nations Population Fund, is very happy to work with the National Institute of Open Schooling on the integration of life skills. We know that the National Institute of Open Schooling provides specifically to children who are out of school or who have dropped out for specific reasons. There might be many reasons. But for these children, it's very important that they learn about life skills. So life skills is about how to deal with conflict in your life, how to make certain choices in your life, how to work on your emotions. Especially young people who have dropped out from the regular system, they need to be able more to negotiate what they want in life, what direction they have to choose. So the life skills is preparing them for life in general, so that in future they can more easily find a job, they can make the choices they want to make, and they can also fully work to their own potential. Another issue on life skills is how to deal with reproductive health and how you deal with the difference in sexuality.
Now that we have